Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we are going to discuss how to fix high RAM usage on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. If you are facing any performance issue on your Windows 11, then this might be due to high RAM usage. To fix this issue, you can simply follow this guide. Here we will discuss some of the quick fixes that you can try out. First, let's start with restarting your system. To restart your system, simply click on window icon, then click on power button, and here click on restart. After you had restarted your system, simply check for the RAM usage. So we already made a video on how you can check RAM usage, so I'll put the video link in the I button, or you will get the video link in the description box. After that, you can try out other fixes to fix high RAM usage. Next one, update Windows 11. If you have any pending update that is running on background, can also cause high RAM usage. To fix it, you have to update your Windows 11. To update your Windows 11, simply open Setting Application, then click on Windows Update, and here click Check for Update, and download and install any pending update you have on your system. Next one, uninstall unused application. If you have many unused applications that are running on background, can also affect your RAM usage. To fix it, you can uninstall them. To uninstall unused application, simply click on Start button, then open Settings. Here click on Apps tab. Here select Install Application, and here look for the unused application that you want to uninstall. Simply click on this three-dot icon, then click on Uninstall, and here click on Uninstall button to confirm the action. Next one, disable Startup app. Startup app are the apps that automatically runs in background whenever you restart your computer, which also affect RAM usage. So to fix it, you can simply disable Startup app. There are two ways by which you can disable Startup app. One is using Task Manager and another one is using Windows Setting. Let us discuss both the method. For the Task Manager, simply click on Taskbar, click on Task Manager. Here click on this menu icon, then click on Startup app. And here look for the app which is impacting your RAM. Then click on Disable button. Now let me show you how you can disable Startup app using Windows Setting. For that, simply open Windows Setting. Here click on Apps, scroll down and look for Startup. And here you will find all the Startup apps that are running in background whenever you restart your computer. Simply turn off this toggle. So when you turn off Startup app, when you restart your computer, this application will not run automatically in background. After following all this method, if you are still facing high RAM usage on your Windows 11, then you can adjust performance. For that, on the search option, search for adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Here click on Visual Effect and click on adjust for best performance. Then click on Apply and click on OK button to apply the changes and restart your computer. After that, check for RAM usage. For that, simply right click on Taskbar, click on Task Manager. Here click on menu icon and select Processes. And here you will find your RAM usage. And here look for the app and services that are running on background and consuming your RAM. Select it, right click on it and click on End Tasks. You can also check your available RAM. For that, simply click on Performance tab and here click on Memory, and here you will find your use RAM and available RAM. If available RAM is less, then it is a good time to install additional RAM module on your system to fix high RAM usage issue on Windows 11. So that's it. These are some quick fixes that you can try out to fix high RAM usage. However, if you want to know more ways to fix high RAM usage on Windows 11, then you can check the link guide on the video description. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.